The concept of laws with expiration dates. What if every law had an expiration date? This radical idea could change the way societies create and enforce laws. Laws, typically designed for the long term, would become temporary and evolve more dynamically with societal changes. Constant legal adaptation. Laws with expiration dates would force governments to continually assess their relevance. It would encourage lawmakers to regularly evaluate laws and update them based on current needs, rather than allowing outdated regulations to persist. Fostering innovation and progress. Temporary laws could accelerate societal innovation. As laws expire, new ideas could be introduced and tested without the burden of old, restrictive regulations. This might promote quicker progress in areas like technology, business, and social structures. Potential for inconsistent legal systems. While dynamic laws may promote growth, they could also lead to instability. With frequent changes to legal systems, people might struggle to keep up with new regulations, leading to confusion and inconsistency in how laws are applied across different regions or situations. Accountability and transparency. Laws with expiration dates might create greater accountability for lawmakers. Since laws would need to be revisited periodically, it would be easier to hold legislators responsible for their decisions. This could foster a more transparent and responsive political system. Risk of loopholes and short-term focus. Some laws could be manipulated for short-term gains. Politicians may create temporary laws that benefit specific groups or interests, only to let them expire before the consequences are fully realized. This could undermine the long-term effectiveness of the legal system. Impact on long-term policies. Certain areas, like environmental protection or national security, rely on long-lasting regulations to maintain stability. If every law had an expiration date, these sectors could face challenges in implementing consistent, long-term strategies that require stable legal frameworks. A more dynamic society. On the positive side, laws that expire could lead to a more flexible and adaptive society. Policies would be re-evaluated based on their impact and effectiveness, leading to more efficient and relevant regulations that reflect current realities. Social and economic uncertainty. Constantly changing laws could create uncertainty for businesses, individuals, and institutions. Predictability in the legal environment is crucial for making informed decisions. If laws were regularly expiring, planning for the future might become more difficult and risky. Balancing stability and change. While the idea of laws with expiration dates promotes flexibility and adaptation, it would be essential to balance it with stability. A mix of both permanent and temporary laws might be the ideal approach to ensure necessary regulation without constant disruption to society.